Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. So, summarize. Let's see, summarize. This is a Commodore 128, and it it was the one that had the 4 broken keys. So this one is one I suspect the 8502 needs to come out. What do I have over here? This kind of a summary. What is this? Not working screen flash. Nice case. Oh, okay. This one has not been opened as of yet. So it is a good candidate. It does look pretty. So it needs to be opened. The one in front of me is quite dandy, quite wonderful, quite beautiful. It is. Oh, this one here, let's summarize. Oh yeah, this is the one. It fires up in the 80 column mode, but there are issues in the 40 column mode. This one here this one populated. Works. It does. But at the moment it's not populated. I'm losing track of what I'm doing. Okay. So this one works. What is this? Oh yeah, okay, this needs surgery. This one is the one 80 column works, 40 column doesn't. It does. Well, as I'm not about to do surgery at the moment, perhaps what I will do is repopulate. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Alright, we'll get these 4 out. Lay them in the proper configuration, of which they should be. Get my glasses. It is very important that pins do not get bent. We have everything lined up just so, and they go in, and that the witness mark is in the right spot. And you see, on the original pit, everything went in the same direction except for a couple of chips, and that would throw people off. Gotta be careful, because the witness mark is mighty important. Mighty important. But I have not seen any Commodore chips blow up. Right here. Oh, wait, the 8701. I think I had a better time getting it from the back. There we go. There we go. Come on. Okay. Little chips. Oh, are not always easier. Okay, that's in. So once again, get the round chips. We'll put them in their proper configuration. And there are 5 of these. Sorry, 5 chips over here. There are. All right. So this should put this machine back to life. It should. 1. These chips are all going in very lovely. I'm just lining them up straight on top. What is that? Oh, a little dust. I'm pushing straight down, and they're going in a lovely, lovely fashion. They are. So, if everything has gone as planned, this one that is weird can go over here. This one that is weird, and then if I pop this out and plug in the video, and the video, it should come to life, I believe, in 40 column mode. Shazam! And I really don't have a keyboard attached, so I can't test the rest of it, but I'm pretty pleased with that. Pretty pleased. Okay, so working. Oh, let's grab another. Yeah, this one has not been opened. It too is working. It's yellowed, it's dirty, it's gross. This one is opened. Oh yeah. Works. Okay, this is the one I've been using to test things with. It is. Okay. What is this? Yep. Worked okay 6 years ago, still works. Okay, so I really need to start having places set aside for things that are working. And things, I did this before once on 64s that needed surgery. Somewhere I have a whole box of things that need surgery. And this one, it's beautiful. So we have, it would seem, 5 128s that are working. So it would seem. And this is the one I've been testing things in. It is. Alright, so at the moment, I really don't need the disk drive here. So I'm going to reach under the disk, put the disk drive back down here. That's a 1541. That's a 1541 too, and there's a little drive from an Amiga. Alright, so that is is kind of where we're at to summarize things. But there is one 128 that I have over here that I have not opened yet at all. Oh, sorry, and this one over here, this one has a bad power switch. I do have some good chips in it, but it has a bad power switch, and I've not been able to test it yet. We'll see about that. I wonder what else has the same kind of power switch. I don't know. I'll ponder that. Okay, so I'm going to set this over here. I'm going to grab this 128. And in the next episode, I'll open it up. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, 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 lovely day. David Bradley here in the TV room, signing off. Bye for now.